to show you the 2007 Ram Pickup 2500. The Ram 2500 is built with sturdy hydroformed frames and capable four-wheel drive options to handle the toughest job site terrain while maintaining a smooth ride. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, chrome wheels, heated mirrors, four-wheel disc brakes, tires front all season, tires rear all season, variable speed, intermittent wipers, keyless entry, auxiliary audio input, cruise control. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.